Welcome back to Pro Wheelhouse, your go-to channel for the latest updates in the world of cars. Today, we're diving into the 2027 Maruti Baleno, the latest iteration of one of India's best-selling premium hatchbacks. With updates in design, features, and performance, the new Baleno aims to raise the bar in its segment once again. Exterior design, sharper and more dynamic. The 2027 Baleno gets a more sculpted and aggressive front fascia, featuring a wider grille, sleeker LED headlamps, and a reprofiled bumper. The side profile now boasts sportier alloy wheels and sharper character lines, giving it a more dynamic stance. At the rear, updated LED tail lamps and a reworked bumper contribute to a more mature and upscale look. Maruti has subtly increased the overall length for improved road presence, while still maintaining the compact footprint hatchback lovers appreciate. Interior, premium cabin experience. Inside, the 2027 Baleno impresses with a redesigned dashboard, higher-grade materials, and a more cohesive layout. The floating 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system now supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. A new fully digital instrument cluster, ambient lighting, and dual-tone upholstery elevate the premium feel. Rear passengers benefit from improved underthigh support and slightly better legroom, thanks to minor adjustments in cabin packaging. Technology and features, smarter than ever. Tech-wise, the Baleno is loaded. It now offers Level 1 ADAS features like lane departure warning and auto emergency braking, a first in its class. Other highlights include a 360-degree camera, wireless charging, connected car tech with remote engine start, and voice-controlled climate functions. Maruti's SmartPlay Pro Plus software also brings smoother UI and over-the-air updates. Performance and efficiency, balanced for city and highway. Under the hood, the 2027 Baleno retains its 1.2L dual-jet petrol engine, now tuned for better low-end torque and improved fuel efficiency. Power output remains around 90 PS, but drivability has been noticeably enhanced. The optional mild hybrid variant offers even better mileage, now claimed at 24.5 km per liter. Transmission choices include a 5-speed manual and an improved 5-speed AMT with smoother shifts. Conclusion: a strong contender in 2027. The 2027 Maruti Baleno proves once again why it's a favorite in the premium hatchback space. With thoughtful updates across the board, it offers a compelling blend of style, comfort, tech, and efficiency. Stay tuned to Pro Wheelhouse for our detailed drive review coming soon, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.